Hey everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Sunday, February the 19th, and tonight we are breaking boom boxes. This here is a 2-box break, and we did random team sales. You can see on my left, we already randomized the teams and the customers. We then alphabetized them so they could see who they had a little bit easier. We then gave them ample opportunity to trade. We had a few people trade. Here we go. Y'all are gonna hear pop of your first seal. We let the guys pick. And you know who that is, fellas. That is another massive hit on what has been a very massive night, fellas. Boom, a J.J. Watt, fellas. Y'all know who that is. That is a J.J. Watt. Houston is gonna take that baby home. Mark Griffey, there you go, bud. I haven't seen you in a while. You step back into the room for a couple minutes and bam. Yeah, nice, sweet J.J. Watt for yourselves and boomboxes. And this has been an unbelievable night, guys. Come on, man. What the heck? If I pulled a dog turd out of this next box, it would still be a friggin' killer night. Yeah, it's a custom, bud. Yeah, it is a custom, but it's still sick as hell, bud. I mean, that's not a cheap jersey at all, guys. These are nice jerseys. That was a box 1 of 2. This is your next box, folks. Y'all can see your seal is sealed. We are gonna pop that baby. Well, what do you guys think? I'm a little nervous here, guys, because you know what that is? That is a Boom City Breaks t-shirt. A Boom City Breaks t-shirt. There you go, fellas. And it is a large Fruit of the Loom. All right. Is it an official Fruit of the Loom? All right, guys. I have no idea who. Hey guys, be very happy, guys. Something good's about to happen to somebody in the room here. And that is a golden ticket. All right, folks. But for who? It is a Cowboys golden ticket. Holy cow. All right, guys. I am going to need, as last time, I am going to need a minute here because I have got to do a quick unveiling, and as you all saw, last time it could take up a little bit of room depending on what the hit could possibly be. I don't know. What do you guys think it is? All right, guys, I hadn't even unboxed it yet. I'm going to need just 1 second, folks, just so we can do a reveal on our upsize. All right, folks, I'm sorry about this, but gonna show you the roof again, just so I can move my camera enough to get it in. All right, folks, again, I'm going to actually prove to you that I haven't even opened it yet. All right, guys? So here we go. We're going to, oh, I'm sorry. Hang on a second. I got it freaking upside down, folks. All right, guys, I'm sorry about this, but here we go, guys. Yes, it is, folks. As you all can see, how is that for a beauty of a beauty of a beauty? Dak Prescott, folks. Gonna try to move you back just a tad more to give you a little better view. But it's got the cowboy symbols in the corners, folks. Let me just pan over that way a little bit. You can see she is a nasty, nasty, nasty upsize, folks. Beauty of a beauty of a beauty of a beauty of an upsize. How do you like that, guys? How has this been for a night of hits for you folks? If we did not pull this, you guys, yeah, it still would have been an amazing, an amazing, an amazing night of hits. And this is how we finish off the night for you folks. How do you love this set, man? We went out and found you the best stuff we possibly could to give you some amazing friggin' stuff, man, to show our appreciation for what you guys have helped us do, man, in 6 months. So we really appreciate you guys as customers, and we're trying to show it, and we hope, yeah, we hope to keep this kind of stuff coming, guys. Thank you very much. That is going to wrap up that two-boxer, believe it or not. How is that for a two-boxer? A J.J. Watt and a Dak Prescott framed jersey, guys. This thing's, I mean, this thing is huge, guys. It is massive, massive, massive. What a hit for you, buds. Thank you very much. That's going to wrap it up. Join us at breakers.tv at Boom City Breaks if you want to hit stuff like this, folks, because this is an exclusive product to our channel. You want to hit this kind of stuff, come on by. Look at the list that we just hit tonight, guys. It is sick. Thank you for joining us. Have a great one, people.